Okay, ready? Go. Okay, we're gonna do it. Ready? Clap. There it is.
Are you going to do it with your mouth next?
Here we go. Here we go.
Are you going to do it with your mouth?
Here it comes. Here, come here. Hey, Mr. Knickerbocker. Here it comes. Your mouth.
With your mouth. What does it do with her? Thank you. With her feet or what comes next?
Here it comes. Come here. Oh, that would be a good one to do. Come on.
Yay!
I guess you knew it was
Hey,
over.
circle. The circle won't fit in the square. There you go. Good job.